Hmm. All right. Well, that's what I thought we'd get today. That's what I thought. Let's look at other assets. How about that? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, always. Look around. Look around.
Take a
Look
look.
around.
Take a look. See boo. That's that's annoying. The internet thing's really annoying. Are my charts up? Or not? Are they?
No.
Do you want me to put them up?
Yeah, you can.
Well, there's mine and Coach Paul's.
I'll take them down.
Yeah. Well, hopefully I keep internet.
I'll leave them up. I guess it doesn't matter.
So they, I don't even know what this filter thing is, but there's supposed to be some kind of filter, and I'm like, what is it filtering? What like? And the guy was like,
Or
well, look
where?
next to the jack and see if
Oh.
there's a box on it. And I was like, well, there's not one. He goes, well, that's your problem. And I was like, that's what they said last time, and then they came out and fixed the street wire, and they said that wasn't the problem. Now you're saying that is the problem, and I'm like, this is the dumbest shit on the planet.
Get
Stop.
your shit together.
I like think of it. The guy they physically came out and the guy was like, we looked through everything. He's like, well, that's not your problem that you don't have a filter. Let me go check. And he went down to the street and he was like, wires are frayed at the street. I got to replace those. He replaced them. Works perfectly fine. And then then I get on the phone with the people just a little bit ago. And I was like, okay, what's the issue? And the guy was like, well, check this, check that. And I was like, I went through all of this last week. It's none
Do
of
they go
this.
through the reboot your modem crap?
No,
It's
I
like
was like, I'm not
whatever.
doing it. I said, I'm not doing it. You send somebody out here because there's an issue with the wires somewhere. Like the guy checked it out just last week. Nothing changed. Well,
Yeah.
you probably should have a filter. And I'm like, oh god, okay. I said, send somebody out, put a filter on this thing. What is going on here? Good old country internet, huh?
Yep. Country internet.
And what I don't get though is there's a huge neighborhood that backs up this property. I mean, a huge, huge neighborhood. I'm like, is this the same internet provider as them?
Who is it? Who are you using?
Well, there's only like two available, Windstream and like AT&T. They don't have Google. They don't have like Google Fiber here. Looks like I'm gonna have to go ahead and buy my Starlink.
Starlink. Do you get good speeds with that? I guess you
Yeah.
do, huh?
Oh yeah. If you get the big version, you get really good speeds. Put a coffee filter on top of your modem.
Oh crap! I missed the damn short on NQ.
That's
Son of a bitch.
Dan. That's what I said. How you said that's a tough short to get in, man.
No, that was. I'm looking for shorts. That was right in my wheelhouse.
Really? Even though your
Yeah,
entry would have had to been at like 422.
420. Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's a break of that.
Okay.
Yeah, because I had a target down below. Yeah, it's a safe entry, just below the 26.
Hmm. No, Dan. I was
I
like,
mean,
I made a
look
joke
at
with
it.
the guy. I was like, what kind of filter do you want to put on it? Coffee filter, HEPA filter. I literally said it. I was like, this is ridiculous. Like, your actual technician comes out and says we don't need a filter, and two of your people on the phone say we need a filter. I'm like, what is this filter thing, and what does it do? What is it filtering out? I don't get it. All right, there might be a long to be had here. And well, it's just gonna take off in the V bottom. Never mind. Can't take that long. New high made today. I'd like to try to figure out to get that long. But 32
Yeah.
dead set, they're going to short it. I mean,
Well,
it was going
I
to
mean, they
shoot
didn't
this,
really do
obviously.
crap. It's just been up and down, to be honest with you. They're
Well,
still
that,
playing inside the Globex.
yeah, no, that's what I said was going to happen. We're going to see an inside range bound choppy
Yeah.
day.
I thought they were just going to take it up and then dump it down,
That's
which
what
I
I.
guess they did technically. They just
Yeah,
stayed
it's
inside the
there's no reason to
Globex
dump
range.
or pump here. It's just
Uh,
inside range bound. Trade two
this
directions
is
and
just range.
pick a side, any side, and trade it. That's why I want to look at
Or
some
just trade
other
tops and
asset
bottoms.
classes. Huh?
I said trade, or you could trade the tops and bottoms.
Trade tops and bottoms and hit the other asset classes. Um, all right, this is the same looking long that I took earlier this morning. Um, let's see here. I did finish setting these accounts back up to the ones I want to trade them with. Man, I wanted to catch that CL long or short and did not get the opportunity. And I really was looking at that 6E short, but again, technical issues. I guess that's a hard thing to do, but there was a long. Look, I mean, how do you get in this long? Am I talking on mute?
Shit, I'm talking on mute. Sorry.
Like, how do you get in this damn long? Look at this. Give me a good look at smaller tick chart on the ES, smaller tick chart on the NQ. You have to be in there. I mean, I did say this was looking like the long I took earlier, but golly, man, should have just pulled the trigger on that one.
Yeah,
Big
sometimes you
tick
just got to
chart,
get in.
big tick
Big
chart.
tick
Should have
chart.
bought it. Should have bought it.
Got to get my 200 back on there. Oh. I get it.
Um, whew.
Where can this NQ go? It's hard to tell. This is just nothing really. Mm-mm.
I can't do. I mean, all right. So I would fancy looking at the CL short if it sets up right. That's one I would look at. This is a long on GC, but I'm not gonna take that trade.
Nah.
I mean, the trade to be had. I mean, again, look at this. This is the trade right here, long
I
above
mean,
this pivot
actually,
point
I'll be
on
honest with you.
ES.
It's a. I said earlier, I was telling Tom earlier when it was setting up, but it was going into the pivot. He said above the pivot, but you got VWAP. You got a lot of garbage right there.
On
I
what?
think if it breaks above all this, GC, if it
Oh,
breaks above all this, like for me, the long on GC would be, if I was going to take it, it would be like around 70.
like a real breakout, huh?
Or yeah, like a real break, even 70.3.
That high is
That because
69.
at that point it clears all that garbage. To be honest with you, I might actually take that.
Put a 70.
0.3.
Put a 70 buy stop in. Oh God. 70 on the MGC. All right, you got me interested on the MGC. I mean, I guess that's just a set risk there, huh?
It is a set risk.
I'm just gonna set like a $300 risk or something.
That's too many contracts. I'm not doing that. I'm not crazy now.
You're
70
not
point.
crazy. I thought you were
I don't
crazy.
know what y'all. Oh
Well, I
no,
knew
I'm a
this
lot
was
of things.
up. Guys, everybody that's listening to me, I want to be one of these longs on the NQ ES NQ ES RTY, but they're making it really hard to get into them. Really hard. I mean, that's just a hard entry right there. I should have done the breakout again.
All right, see what happens. Set risk. See what happens. I'm willing to take that risk. Oh, I was going to get it on here too. I want to show you guys on here. Dang it.
Order submitted.
All right,
Order
there's
failed.
the gold
Small
does look
risk.
like it's breaking out to the north
We'll put
side.
it right below that bar.
I could be convinced of that one. That's not a hard.
I'll try it.
It's not a.
It's worth a small risk for me.
Yeah, no, I'll put it in.
It might come back and get us, but I think it's going to creep up. So let's see. It's all a risk thing.
All
It's
right,
all really where that.
70.1. I'm putting it in now. Okay. All right, if it goes, it goes. Okay, that's
Oh,
on MGC.
I'm already in.
Oh, you
So
did?
I'm,
Did you do 70?
yeah, I'm 70.3. I'm 70 point, no, 70.1.
Yeah, seven. I got it in at
And
70.1.
then on this one here, I'm a little better. So, this one, the one on, and then I'm the chart,
Well, it says. I
the
mean, again, the
shared chart.
GC big chart says up. So how does it get up? I don't know. All right, let me focus on another asset here. Let's see. All right, CL. I'd be interested. I think we may have missed that short on CL. Yeah, dang. Yeah, that's a miss. That's a miss on my part. I should have been. I knew I wanted to be watching that CL. All right. I'm gonna try to take the smaller tick chart long. Um, on the ES and NQ back down here where it just came from, and switch my account to the one I actually want to trade it on.
Long one there.
Do we get the
The NQ. I did it on the small tick chart like you.
what's that?
NQ.
Oh, long. Oh,
Yeah, I just took it right
I was
off the
waiting for I
level.
was waiting for a little bit more structure than that.
Well, on the small tick chart, I took it right off the level.
Oh yeah, well you got a target at least.
If I'm gonna do the small tick crap, I'm gonna do it the way I know how to do it, which is right off the level. It has not set up yet, though. Obviously, on the it hasn't set up at all on the.
Not a real setup yet.
Mm. Okay, well that works well.
All right, now we got a little bit of a W setting up down here on the smaller tick chart. I'm gonna look at maybe a see that midpoint is a high 97.50, so 97.75, and I think we just try it. If that ES gets filled, I'm gonna go at the market on the NQ, but only if the ES gets filled.
Stop filled.
Uh-oh. Did I lose gold? I did.
Hmm.
I lost gold. I lost my gold trade.
I haven't gotten filled yet.
I did. I lost.
I'm waiting for this ES.
Racking up. I'm
If
racking up some
this ES
losses on
fills, I'm
that.
taking the NQ long. Got it. Target off on the NQ. Boom, that was instant. Target off on the ES. Let me switch these over to these two accounts. What am I on? Well, I thought they were on the same freaking accounts that I was looking at. All right, well, whatever.
I'm long on the. I'm long the NQ also.
Gotta
I did
fix my
not get the
target
ES.
here. Gotta fix my target. Needs to be up there. Pull my stop up. Guaranteed win. Pull my stop up on the ES. Guaranteed win. Fix my target on the ES. There's an NQ. Decent. Maybe it'll last a little bit longer. I don't know. But my entries were spot on. They nailed the targets instantly on the entries. Well, it's because you just don't have balls, Lulu.
You know what?
I said it's just because you don't have balls, Lulu.
Okay, trade. Oh,
All right, where's my target on the ES? Target needs to go over here on the ES. All right, that's
you need to grow a pair, Lulu. You need to grow a pair.
that's 18. 18. Get my little sheet here.
Just for trading, not for life. You can put them on while you trade and then take them off afterwards.
There you go. Yes, NQ long. All right, a couple more ticks up on the stops. I'm gonna hit that break even because it's just below it last wick on the NQ on the small tick chart, and I kind of need to do the same thing on the ES here. And let's think real targets. Um, a real target. We got nothing to look back on there, so that kind of has to be a real target. We could look at the daily here and say, okay, are we gonna target something? There's a high 17. Do I get that aggressive and target 17?
Yeah,
Um,
you could.
I mean, we're just I don't know. I don't know. Hmm. Well, we're in a trade, so let's see. It's probably gonna take us flat here. I like I said, inside, range bound, choppy day. At least they're positive trades, winning trades. Second time it didn't take me on the NQ there. It's trying. It's gonna get me. It's gonna get me. Maybe it won't. ES is still staying up. Maybe the NQ stays up. Trying to get me. It's trying to get me. Whoa. See? Look, I told you to make this shit hard as possible.
Mm-hmm.
Wicks down, takes your stop, pops right back up. That is stupid. At least I got my. At least I got my screenshot of the winning trades. Of one winning trade. That is crazy. This is not like. Oh man, I missed that. But yes, Bo. That was the short. Yes, that's the one I missed. I think you were already looking at that before I had a chance to call it out. Ask me that in the main chat, Bo, please, on something like that.
Breakout time. It's Bubba breakout time.
That's something I'm going to be looking at during trading stuff. All right, now I'm afraid to do the 6E long, and I want to be long on the ES and NQ, and it's aggravating the living boozy out of me. Oh no, what am I doing here? That is silly. Let's see if we can get a breakout. I'll take a bull flag trade though now that we're above all this stuff. Totally take a bull flag trade.
I gotta switch accounts.
Yeah, if it's a trade question, Bo, ask me in the main chat, in the live stream, so I can see it. Because that definitely was a CL short, and I wanted to be in that CL short as well. I just was looking at the that GC thing that never worked out.
Nope, that was a losing trade. It's all right. It happens every now and then. Look.
Okay, well, do we treat this as a bull flag up here?
Yeah,
I mean, the
that's true.
NQ really needs to bust that high as well, but I, I think this is not a bad. Really got burned on that GC.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna stay away from it. It's too choppy. I
I'm
just
trying
figured
to
above all
touch
that
it.
it would. I thought it would break out. When it didn't do that, I'm not gonna touch it. Like to me, it's like even the
Here,
smaller tick chart is
I gotta put these buy stops in. This is a breakout coming.
on where.
ES and NQ. And if it goes lower, great. I'll get it at a lower price. Something like that. And if it goes lower, I cancel the buy stops and get a better price. All right, there it goes lower. Cancel these. Get a better price. Inside range bound choppy day. Never did break
I was
out.
just gonna say it looks to me like I setting up for a short,
It
but
is a
okay.
short. I mean, take the short. If anybody
Yeah.
wants a short, take the short. But I'm gonna wait for the long. I'm just going to wait for the long. The long.
The long, he says. There, come on down, give us another entry. How about that?
I think I'll try that long again.
Come on down. Boy, that's a nice little short. Could have got that one. Come on down.
That was definitely a short.
Yeah. Oh, he's going to come down here and get the long.
What I think I'm gonna try to do. I can't believe they just popped down, took the stop, and ran it up to the target. That's aggravating. Popped it down, took my stop, ran it up to the target.
These markets are manipulated.
No, they're not.
Oh, not at all. Really random. Oh, some dude died right in front of me yesterday. What?
I think she's telling a joke. Or her version of what is a joke.
Missing working at the morgue. I could see you working at the morgue.
Oh my goodness. Like, that would be a good job for her, probably.
All right, we're back at
Okay,
this
do we look at this
Globex
long
high.
here?
Yeah.
Now I've got a. It's not exactly where I wanted a bigger tick chart, but I think it's worth me taking a risk on that long there. Um, and again, I think I'm gonna do the same thing. If the NQ if the ES fills, I'm gonna go with the NQ. Let's see, what is that high there? That's 7,025, so 7,050. Yep, never mind. We shall cancel that long. Are you still in the short? Are you still in the short, Paul?
No, I didn't take the short. I was just talking about the short.
Oh,
I just say
okay.
it was a short. I was looking for the breakout like you two. And then I said, oh, this could have been a short. And not could have been. It was. This has got to turn somewhere here.
Cancel that long. They're gonna pop it up somehow, some way.
Yeah, somewhere around here they're going to do
They're
it.
gonna pop it up, but they're
I
not
think
gonna
it's
make it
right.
easy
I
to
think
get
it looks like it
into.
right here, actually.
I mean, what do you do? Guess right there and just jump in and
Well,
say,
yeah, it's a. I
"This is
mean,
this
it's
is
a
it."
complete guess.
Yeah,
It's a
I mean,
complete guess.
I'm just gonna buy it right now. Right now, this is what I'm
There's
gonna buy.
there's no setup. It just looks like they're gonna. There
Yeah,
is
I
no
mean, you'd have to
setup.
like just press the buy button and close your eyes and be like, "All right, hold my
I mean,
beer."
the only thing is they brought it down below the Globex high, and now if it closed back above it, that might be a cue to go long. But I'm just trying to look for things.
I mean, that's again, it says This is garbage. All right, now let me think about this GC. I would entertain a clean setup long on MGC here.
Oh, got burnt, but it is
I would
worth a
totally
try.
entertain that long setup, like at 80, like 3120.
31, yeah, 3120.
Target off. There you go.
Yep, me too. I am in it. In it to win it. Go, baby. Now let's see if this thing gets some legs and run.
Well, there is definitely a target off on that puppy. I did the MGC, obviously. And maybe it will grow some legs and run, like you said.
Yeah,
Pull the
let's see if
target,
this thing will run.
pull the stop up,
I
and
am free trade at this point. See what happens. Come on. Don't turn. Don't turn.
It's a free trade, bro. That's what you said. It's free. They gave it to me. It's like handouts. Get my 2 squares and a mule or something.
2 squares and a mule. Okay.
Two, something like that. What is it? What is it
6 boxes and a dog. I don't know.
again?
Come on. Go, you little rat bag.
uh,
There we go. Now she's looking better. There you go. See? Got my money back on my
what's
loss.
that? Oh, there you go.
She got my money back.
Pull the stop up a little bit. So I'm gonna look at
Yeah,
this
I'd tuck
bigger.
it up underneath there too.
I'm gonna look at this bigger tick chart. Here. I mean, we could realistically target like 49
Stop
if we
this. I'm gonna
really
stop my
wanted
feed.
to
I'm not
target,
trading this.
huh?
I'm gonna stop my feed because I'm not trading it anyways. It's on sim. These are sim. I'm not
What?
my stream when
Oh,
I put up charts when you were having issues. I just said these
50-60 should
things
probably
up,
be the target here.
but I told everybody that they're on sim, so because I don't have any data over here to trade.
Uh,
There we go. I can bring this back down.
all right, let's see if that runs on the MGC. All right. Well, the ES long. That's just garbage. It's just garbage. It should be a long, but if you can stomach being in it, there's your long. I don't think that I could stomach being. Look at this MGC though. I'll take that
I
for a
told you.
win. Couple $100. I should have
Yeah,
had more contracts on.
it's safe. The problem with more contracts, like think about it. If we'd had more contracts on that first trade, we'd be in a big hole.
Oh yeah, no,
I found it's the trade-off is worth it. It's yeah, they're smaller wins, but they add up.
yep, you are correct.
Because the
Let me.
problem, man, with GC, you rack up the losses quick with GC.
Oh, you totally can.
If you're really crazy like PBR and trade silver, and that's nuts. That's
Nuts.
straight out. That is absolute straight out gambling.
No, I'm not trading silver. You kidding me? You gotta be kidding me. Not trading silver.
You backed away. You put it down. You stepped away from the silver.
Yeah. No, That's the only you can become a sim millionaire. That's about it. All right. Well, it's a good little trade there on the MGC. Maybe I had my stop just a few. No, stop was right. So good trade. Really good.
Yep. Got my money back and then some, so I'm good on that little first loss.
If you did the EES long, you should definitely be. All right. Well, I mean, well, I thought it was gonna be a really crappy morning. Turned out to be somewhat okay. At least we're in the
Yeah, I mean,
green.
I'm not down in any account, so that's a good thing.
Oh, at least we're green, right? I mean, these.
Yeah.
But think about this. All right. So here's a real thing for you though. Look at my chart. When we were trading smaller tick charts, tell me you would have been trading this. You may have had maybe maybe take that long
Maybe that
trade.
long. Yeah, maybe that long. Which would
Uh,
have been a day done, but
well, yeah, but I mean, that's about it. And you only get that on one account. You get one trade. Maybe I would have probably looked at that short too. I definitely would have looked at this long. But the bigger tick chart gave us this long, this short, gave me the breakout long, gave me the other breakout long. Saying the bigger tick chart keeps you out of trouble a lot, a lot, a lot. I think yeah, we got a little too tight on the stop on that GC. I knew that was going to go back up to around 60. Anybody willing to entertain a 6E long? It looks like it's setting up here.
hmm.
Just as long as par
Yeah,
doesn't take it.
it's got a lot of yeah.
6E. I mean, there's a lot of buying that's come from here in the past day or so. I mean, a lot of buying
Or
that's come from there. Might be enough orders to push it up a little bit. Man, the long on the NQ and ES is working out. If you found a way to get in it and stay in it, then you're doing good.
you're golden.
Yeah, you're doing good. I knew
You're
they were going to be on
goldenrod.
their side. Go the stupid color. Why is Ninja Trader so obsessed with goldenrod?
You're goldenrod. Oh, you know what? Wait, step away for 2 seconds. I'll be right back.
Okay. They're not gonna make it easy on people today. Yeah. TikTok charts. TikTok charts there, Lulu. Yep. Not the easiest morning there, huh? I. Ugh. All right. Let me cancel this 6E trade and think for a second. That gold was where it was at and got out of that a little prematurely, but that's okay. Um, Oh, and the 6E took off just as soon as I canceled it. What a bunch of malarkey. That's so silly. That is silly.
All right, what I miss?
The 6E long that I tried to get into, it would have been a nice little
Oh, I'm
winner.
in it.
Dang it.
Oh
I can't.
crap, I'm in it.
Yeah, you got to win. You probably
I just got
target
a
off
winner
already.
in 6E. Yeah, I took both my targets.
Uh,
Dang it. I
yeah.
completely forgot I put it on when I
All
went to
right.
the bathroom.
Well,
I just left it.
that's how you know I'm distracted. I'm going to make a phone call real quick.
Holy cow. Thank you. That's a present. $150 present. I'll take it. Completely forgot I put that on. All right. Well, old. Hope that trade out. That thing would have been nice. The top city on ESNNQ. Can't do anything with that. YM's the same. Looks like it's breaking down. I would entertain an NQ long here if it sets up nicely on the big tick chart. That would be nothing. Used the pivot point from about a week ago to win the trade that I won today. All right. The long range TikTok charts. I'm gonna start looking at the long range TikTok charts. All right. Well, I guess it's gonna be break time because this thing's not moving, and I, for one, won't sit here and watch a chart that doesn't move. All right. As soon as I say that, it breaks. Oh boy, painful. So you're getting maybe a long setup on the ES. Long now if you're going to take it. You know what? Let's try that. A little late, but I got my target off.
All right, good
I
call.
just, yeah, I just realized it was right off VWAP too. I said, you know what? Let me just jump in there.
Yeah, good job. I like it.
Yeah, that was a push to buy market. That was a no.
That was just get in. That was a just get in
No, it's just
trade.
get in. Yeah, I just looked up and
Get in
saw
it,
it. I said, you know
buddy.
what? I said, you're getting right now.
I was super late. I sat down the second you said it, and I just pressed the buy button. I literally just
That's
pressed the
what I
buy
pretty
button. I'm
much did.
super
Just
late.
press the buy button.
Oh,
But you got your
I got
target off, right?
targets off on the NQ. I'm gonna
Mm-hmm.
pop over to those accounts that I'm on. I keep switching the accounts, and I keep forgetting to get the bigger tick chart on it. But let's see. There we go. There's the NQ. I'll pull the ES up in a second. I did both. I just pressed buy on both NQ and ES. Um, so I think we try to target these highs here. That'd be a massive trade. Um,
Mm-hmm.
if it can stay up right now, we got a chance. If it doesn't stay up right now, it's a short. It turns into a lower tick chart short. It did not stay up. It turns into a lower tick chart short, people. There's your short. Here's your sign.
There's your sign.
Well, I mean, I really thought this was gonna be a frustrating day. Um, all in
No,
all,
it's
I
been
mean,
pretty
it's
decent
not the
morning.
best day,
No, but
but
it's been a morning.
for a range bound choppy market, not a bad day.
Not at all.
All right, 6E. Keep missing the trades on 6E. Oh, and I
I
didn't think
know.
about.
I and I
What did
freaking
you?
completely walked away from it. Try to move my stop. Well, no, I guess I did good. That was all right. I got both targets off.
Who the heck would trade M6E? What are you trying to make? $4?
I don't. I don't even think that there is an MC. I don't even I like when you if you try to trade it, the same tick value. It's like the same price value.
Yeah, because it shouldn't. It's the same. It's the exact
I
same
don't.
thing.
I think it's
Because
the same thing.
if
Yeah.
you do it on a real brokerage platform, that's it's a way higher leverage. Like there's some platforms that require you to have to trade any currency pairs because they only do the large contracts. They require you to have like $1 million of
Yeah. For margin.
margin.
Yeah.
All right, I'm ready for this 6E now. Yes. All right. Okay, so all right. All right. Let's see here. Man, I almost just jumped in that 6E short, like at the market or something.
Yeah. It's too
Let
late now.
me, since we're just gonna be chipping away at $100 on every account this morning, let me switch accounts and stuff.
I mean, it's what it kind of that kind of day.
$100 at a time. $100 make it holla. Switch my accounts up. Go to another one and try to get that green. Oh man, that CL short was a trade of the morning. I am kicking myself on not getting on that one. Man. I wanted it to, looked away for 2 seconds, should have just chased it. And I gotta say, even looking back, playing the Monday morning quarterback thing, I probably would let my stop a little bit looser behind this stuff back here. It may have got me, but may not have. I don't know. I still think I probably would have tried to get back in that again. I really
Yeah,
wanted that CL short.
turned out good. Yeah, that's a nice
Yeah,
short.
I did really want that CL short. um, can't do anything with the indices right now. Missed the short on the and the long. Missed my 6E long and CL long. TikTok. Let's see here. Do we entertain the CL long off the pivot? That's the question. Do we entertain? This is a level actually. Now that I'm looking at it. This is a bona fide level down here.
Bonafide.
Bona fide. Oh yeah. Now that I look at it, that's quite a decent little level there. Let's try to do that. Somewhere around this area. I like it. If I get a decent setup, I'll try the CL long now since I missed the short.
I'll try that with you.
You know, and you got a nice little buy stop that you can put in here. You got 113 ticks left. This is not. It's not horrible. Um, what is that high? That high is 6404, so 6405. If it doesn't stay up though
Oh,
now, I can't do
so
it.
it's breaking. I'll say
This
it's
candle's got
breaking.
to be up.
She be breaking.
I mean, that's where I would have it. If it can hold the pivot. If it can hold the pivot, hold the pivot. Everyone hold the pivot. Find the
Pivot.
pivot. It's trying. It's making a little W on the small tick chart. I'm not expecting it to be like a blockbuster win because I was looking for the CL shorts, but it should be enough of a trade to make profits on. I was wanting the CL shorts, but didn't quite do it. This should be a decent little trade there. And with the indices, you're at the bottom of the range now. So if you want to look at a long signal, you can probably do that. I'm not gonna do it. It's probably NQES long. I mean, I can't take an NQ long until we get back above what 400.
Here.
Yeah, back up.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I mean, here's like I said, I called it the long. It's just not something I'm gonna do there. Um, you got these wicks.
No,
Here's you get the wicks on
this is
both
a
sides
short.
on a big tick chart. Yeah, short. That's probably a
This
better.
thing, if NQ breaks and holds below VWAP, it's going down. It's going to the pivot. It's going down.
Now, I could possibly get on board with that trade.
Mm, yep. Breaking hold below the pivot, I think would be, or even that previous low. That's a little bit lower, but 48. Yeah, 40, 48.
If it does break down, you know what? I'll do that. I'll do that on the
I'm actually
ES
looking
too.
at it too.
I'll do that on the ES as well. Take a little
Yeah.
bear flag trade there
Take a little bear flag it.
if it happens. Obviously, this should be the long you're looking for, but
It
they're
did
going to make the
not.
longs
Did not.
impossibly hard to get into.
I think we
Ooh,
can cancel
LES
that
is,
CL.
huh?
I think you can cancel that. I think you can cancel that CL.
You think? You think?
I don't believe you're going to get it.
Doesn't look that way. Now we have to wait all the way
Could
down
be a
to
long now.
you get it. Probably even do a breakout short on CL now. I'm I'm really considering this short here, Paul.
On the CL.
NQ and ES. Like just a
I
I
am.
tell you, I want to have on the ES. So
Yeah, that's a long on NQ for now
yeah,
because
I
it
know.
it failed that. It didn't was it couldn't hold the.
I just haven't figured out a good level up here yet. Where we're at. I mean, we have some good levels. I'd like to pull back down to the pivot. I'd probably try to ride it down to the
Yes.
pivot and then buy it from the pivot.
I was thinking hold below the VWAP. It's a short. I will short it if on a 2000 tick close
Well,
below
we are
for
intraday
sure.
traders, so we're not
No.
trying to wait 16 hours to get a trade, so or get a win.
Well,
So
2000
I
tick.
agree with you.
You know what? This could happen in the next
No,
bar or
I'm just
two. It could happen.
I'm being silly. I'm saying I'll take the ride down
No.
and the ride up.
No. Yeah. I'll go both ways.
I mean, this again,
I
if it
swing
were,
both ways.
if it, oh, I'm not gonna address that comment. Um, all right. So where's our long? If we want to take the long, we
Now
got
are
to
you getting
get
your
it.
CL long? Look at your CL now.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm as big of a fan of it now. Mm, broke my level, man. That was a good level the past few days. If it goes back above the pivot, then yes. Um, you know what? It says big chart says yes. Let's take the trade. Where do we take it at though?
Like 91.
Uh, well, no. If this candle stays down and gives me a nice little ledge here to buy from, um, try
Let's see what
something
happens.
here.
There we go.
Oh, oh, didn't quite break the pivot. Oh, there.
There
Yeah,
we go.
okay, we're above the pivot.
Target's off.
That's what I wanted. It didn't take my targets.
I
You
got mine.
crumb bag. Go get my target. What the heck is going on here?
About to be flat, I think.
Huh?
Come on. You gotta push. That's weird. I got my target. Unless we have a different
It
target.
one ticked me. One tick. It one ticked me.
Yeah, they got mine.
One ticked me. Oh well, it's a setup. It's just I wanted to keep it above the pivot, and I don't think it's not above the pivot still. So I tried to take it right above the pivot. I think I got it right on the pivot. I like that wick on that candle coming up. Oh, we'll see. Big tick chart said take it though. Hey,
There
target's
you
up.
go.
Target's
Had to
up.
work for that one, didn't you?
I don't consider
That was a
that
lot
any
of.
work.
That was a lot for $30.
It's it's a whole lot for $30.
Lot of work for 30
Gotta make
bucks.
it holler. All right, stops where it needs to go. Guaranteed profits, and let's see if this thing continues to run. I mean, if it'd be nice if it ran back up. It'd be a sweet little run. I don't expect that. I really don't expect that from this trade. I think the target, my set in stone target's the best target we could look for. All right. Okay. There's
Come
your
I'm
dump.
still
There's your
looking for
breakout
that.
on the short side.
So I'm looking for that short on the NQ. If
Well,
it
let's
can't
see. I
hold, it won't
mean,
hold.
if
It's not holding below the VWAP.
if you look at a sell stop there below VWAP, that should be a runner because that's where it came from earlier.
Corner.
That should
Yeah.
run. I mean, again, I'm on the long frame of mind, but if it does break that level right there,
Yeah, it's got to break 47 ish. Where are you at? 46. Yeah, 46.75.
CL long. Anybody get the CL long? Anybody get the CL long? That was a good one.
Yes, it was
Anybody get the?
painful, but it
Oh,
worked out.
Tom. It looks like Tom. I guess Tom got it as well. Good. There you go, guys. Good job, guys.
Yeah.
So I don't know if this is a trade I want yet on the short side. I'd like to.
Nope.
I mean, I like to figure out a long, but this is they've made today a hard trading today. I mean, it's there hasn't been anything easy about it. Plus being distracted with stupid.
Internet. Oh, mine's coming Thursday. They're doing work in the neighborhood. You know what that means? That means you guys may not see me on Thursday. Oh, gross.
What?
That was nasty.
What was nasty?
Just got a mouthful of coffee grinds. Oh,
Ugh.
that was not. Ugh.
All right, we gotta go up under that wick, I guess, on CL, huh? Right
Uh,
here.
Yeah, yeah.
Textbook CL trade. Textbook.
I mean, realistically below the pivot, but
Oh, on the stop.
yeah, but I mean, yeah. I mean, you might as well put it underneath that wick. I think if it comes breaks that wick, it's gonna break the pit. Well, here we go.
You know what I've come to find out
I'm
is
gonna leave mine.
my stops suck. I don't do good at
I'm gonna leave.
stops.
I'm gonna leave mine a tick below the pivot,
I just, I just,
just for the.
have a
Willing to
hard
risk a
time
few
managing my
dollars.
stops. I don't know where good stops should go.
That you don't. Can't trade though. Remember that.
I
Don't forget.
I suck at trading and can't manage stops.
You can't trade. I was told by somebody that you can't trade, so
All right.
works for me.
You saw the message I sent in the chat too. I'm like,
Yeah.
who's telling me to do this? Who is doing that?
There's always one in the crowd. Listen,
Always
if y'all
one.
can do better, do it yourself. We're not asking. We're not making any claims of anything.
Do it
I
better than
win and I
me.
lose.
Hey, if you can do it better than me, I'll follow you.
Man, I will follow you. I have no problem with that. Absolutely no problem with that.
You can
All
give
right,
me if you can
time to
give
look for a
me
short here on the
consistent
NQ.
profits that I get on a regular basis. I have
Time to
no problem following you.
NQ short. Right.
Wow, I can't believe I have every account green except for one right now. And it's
47.50.
the one that has no trade on it. I can't believe that this morning. Now it's a 168, 200 and something, 1624, 106, 142. Yeah. They're all like 100 and somethings. I'm most proud of that $106 win. All right. Now, I will absolutely look for a 60 long. Um, this garbage on the NQ and ES, just staying away. But I'm getting more inclined to think about this short, Paul. Like, I'm gonna hang out
It's looking
here.
like it wants to
I
be,
was gonna say
right?
normally we take a break by now, but something's about to happen, and I want to trade this and make some real money today. And I think this short's probably. I'm gonna put that sell stop in because now I got filled. Let's see. Target
There it
off.
goes. I'm short.
There you go. NQ short. What time was that? 113. NQ short. How far it goes, I do not know. You're the one that told me on that one.
Yeah, I knew that was going to break once it broke through there. So
Got a nice little. Uh, let's look at these stops here. Ah, well, it made money though. Just scratching away at little bits of money
I'm going to
here
run
and
it
there.
right back up there. Look at that.
It's all right. Yeah, I gotta use this wick here. I'm gonna go up a couple more ticks on the stop on the CL. It's got to be keep it below that 63.98. And go and get my target. Go get my target. It would be really fancy if we got this thing all the way back up to here. That would be lights out trade. Are you trying to sign in? Greensboro, Georgia? What?
What?
Oh.
They're trying to sign in. Who? Where? How? Who? Where? How? What?
Oh, I had a message pop up on my phone.
You've been trying to sign into your phone?
Well, somebody's trying to sign into our account.
Wow.
Are you trying to sign in? It popped up, yes or no?
Not me.
Well, I'm asking.
Say no.
I'm going to say no.
I don't think so.
Where's Greensburg, Georgia?
Greensboro? And that sounds like somewhere mid Georgia.
Well, if it's mid Georgia, we know who it is.
Yeah, then I was gonna say.
East of Lake Oconee.
Yeah, that's him.
Oh, Lake Oconee.
Yeah.
Oh, who else would it be,
Wait,
right?
Oconee. Yeah.
Oh well.
Oconee. Yeah. Hartwell's up north. Oconee. Yeah, that's him. That's him.
Well,
This is just garbage. This is complete garbage. Every bit of this.
well, maybe now's break time then, huh?
Yeah, I mean, I just don't. We can hang out a little bit longer, but I don't see.
I'd be cool with a break now.
Yeah, let's come back at 1, right?
I don't know. I'm in the mood to trade today, so
Okay.
um, and the market's not giving us shit to trade, but I still think
No, there's no. This is garbage.
I don't know. Let me go get a bite to eat, and um, I don't know. If people want to hang around, I'm I'm I'll be back and forth between trading and doing stuff, but
Okay.
I mean, because I got things I need to work on based on our conversation too,
Yeah.
and I got some things I need to work on for the boss lady.
Can you check and see if we got? I did a support ticket last night. I don't know if they got a reply to it. There's no way to check that other email, is there?
Nope, there's no way to do a
Okay.
reply. That's what I was saying is if you do a support ticket, we're not gonna get it, so we're not gonna get a reply, so it doesn't matter. And we
Well,
need to talk. So why don't we let's take a break. I'm gonna kill the stream. I don't think anybody's watching it anyway.
yeah, you can kill YouTube, sure.
I don't think anybody's watching it at all. Well, I like it so I can go back and make the thing, but we've had enough trades now to